Welcome to Dynamic Circuit. We are going to test Allen Bailey 5500 servo drive. Is originally unable to power on. After repair, you can see here the starting booting. Now the booting is completed at a standby mode. You can see here we apply 24 volt DC. We don't have encoders, so we are not yet connected any encoders. That's why we can't test fully. Anywhere that the original problem is resolved, you can see here successfully we are repaired Allen Bailey kinetix 5500 servo drive. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions Dynamic Circuit. Thank you very much for watching these videos.